Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making my own hair. So I'm starting up with a stretched natural hair. I've been growing my natural hair since 2017, and ever since then, I've been making my own hair. Living in abroad has taught me a lot of things. I've done a lot of things just to save money. So I'm going to be adding Asayam leave-in conditioner. I've been using Asayam product since 2017. This product is very good. I so much love the smell and it helped my hair to grow stronger. So after applying it, I'm going to be adding Asayam pudding on my hair. This Asayam pudding protects your hair from breakage, and if you want to stretch your hair with hot iron, it's very good. I'm just going to apply it on my hair, rub it around, and I'll not forget to add my shea butter. Many people ask me the kind of hair cream I use on my hair. I use shea butter, nothing but shea butter. I've been using shea butter on my hair since I started growing my natural hair. Next, I'm going to part the hair into 4 parts. When I came to this country newly, I noticed that the hair salon in this country don't make hair with patience. They are only after your money. They'll just rush and make you hair. In the next 1 week, the hair will look as if you made the hair since 3 months ago. So guys, as you can see, I'm parting the hair the way with the sizes I want it to be, and then I'm going to put it into smaller plaits. You can use rubber band for this method if you don't want to do this, but I love to do the simple plaits like this. Whenever I go to the salon to make my hair, this same hair I want to make myself, sometimes they will charge me £70 and sometimes they will charge me £80. Then in the next 2 weeks, when you look at the hair, it will look as if I've made the hair since 3 months ago. So once I'm done, I'm just going to pack it up and then I start picking my extension. So this is the extension I'm using, 3 different colors of extension. So I'm going to be showing you 2 methods I'm using. So I'm using the crochet needle to pass the extension in between my hair, and then when I bring it out, I make them to be equal parts. And then I'm going to use one of it to tie it around the hair before I start braiding. On the 10th of April 2017, I decided to cut my hair and go natural. The reason why I cut my hair to go natural is for me to start braiding my own hair from scratch. It wasn't easy, but I was determined to do it, and up till today, I'm still doing it, although I'm not professional in it. But whenever I make my own hair, people do ask me, where did you make your hair? If I tell them I made it myself, then sometimes they doubt me. So that is why I'm making this video today, to show you guys how I'm doing it. So I'm repeating the same crochet method. I no longer use this method again because I think my hand is getting stronger in making my own hair. So I'll wrap it around before I start braiding it, just to make the root of the hair to be stronger a bit. Next, I'm going to show you another method. Just hold the hair at the bottom of it, wrap it around, and then braid it. I don't know how to use the other method. When I do it, the root of the hair is not firm. So I just maintain the pattern and I know how to do better. So guys, I started braiding this hair 5 a.m. in the morning. I parted the hair in the night before I went to bed. And then I woke up by 5 in the morning and I started braiding the hair. I finished braiding this hair around 11 a.m. in the morning. When I started making my own hair, it do take me like 2-3 days to finish my hair, because I find it difficult to braid the middle part of my hair and the back side of my hair. But as I keep practicing, my hands got used to it. So now it no longer takes me 2 days or 3 days to finish my own hair. Another reason why I decided to start making my own hair is because I don't want to be taking my children to the salon to make their own hair. So when I started learning how to make my own hair, I had Amanda. Then Amanda was 1 year old. And ever since then, she's 7 years today, she has never gone to salon. Even the sister of Bianuju, I do their hair myself. So this has really saved me a lot of money. Although it's not easy to learn, but because it's something I want to do, I keep practicing until I am where I am today. Hair salon in United Kingdom, they don't make hair with passion. They are just after the money they are charging you. Unlike in Nigeria, they will take time to braid your hair, and you can carry the hair for 4-5 months. The hair will still be nice. So even you take your wig set to the salon to wash and style, they will not do it the way it's supposed to be done. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your own wig without taking it to the salon. So guys, I'm done. I'm loving my hair. It's not that full. That is what I really want. I don't want the hair to be too much. Next, I'm going to be using the blow dryer to trim my hair. I don't know how to use scissors to do it for myself at the moment, so the blow dryer helped me to do that. I set it very hot and then use it on the hair. After which, I'm going to be pouring hot water on this hair off the camera. Once I'm done pouring hot water, I'm going to be applying olive styling mousse on it, olive oil styling mousse, just to make it smoother and neater. This olive styling mousse is like a foam, but it's an oil. Once you apply it on your hair, it's going to make the hair shinier. So guys, once I'm done, this is how the hair looks. I love the hair. It came out nice the way I want it to be. So guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, leave good comments and share. On my next video, I'll show you guys how to style your own hair yourself. Okay, bye.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too.